back, everybody. It's Monty, it's Shadle Park, it's geometry, and we've got to get ready for the next week of school. That'll be week 13, December 6th to the 10th. Don't forget, Groovy Shoes, put it on your calendar, January 19th. Don't forget, Spirit Week starts next week. So next week on Monday, wear flannel. Make sure you get a picture of all the different ways to dress up over the next 2 weeks as we get ready for the Christmas holidays. But before we do that, we got to do our shout outs for this week, right? Got our Christmas bells, and here we go with our Matthew Achievers from period 3, Logan Anderson. Whoop, we got to pull that up, don't we? It's in here somewhere. Yes, sir. Our Matthew Achievers were Logan Anderson, Anthony Gomez, David Hirsch, Edison Yan, Jaden Lipscomb, Isaac Treat, Christian Walters, Kim Weekly, and Damian Wickman. In period 4, Haley Bowers, Evan Cavell, Gabe Claypool, Kyle Hayden, Macario McGriff, Mercedes Nichols, Molly Pickard, Delilah Rivera, and Celeste Wink. In period 5, Sean McConkey, Ellie Petty, Malachi Rindi, Rashawn Sarvis, Matthew Shuck, Daisy Stegman, Gabby Warnock, and Tyler Wayant. And people that went over and above and did extra workspaces were Isaac Treat and Delilah Rivera. Okay, now let's head on to class participants. Now this week we did the discovery activity with the side, and all those straws. Remember cutting all those straws? And look at all the neat creations that came from each of the classes. We filled the walls and the doors with all those straw discoveries for side, angle side, and angle side angle. And those folks that helped us do that were David Hirsch, Jocelyn Ives, Evan Upton, and Kim Weekly from period 3. In period 4, Zach Gibson, Rashad Hart, and Tommy Krotzer. And then in period 5, Desiree Ballou, Carter Crum, Hunter Greenstone, Landon Opry-Jennings, and Ali Zenishek. Thank you to all those folks to help us demonstrate what does it mean to be congruent. All right. And then part of the straw discovery activity, we built and created some extra items. And I want to do a special shout out to period 3, Karina Granados, Addison Yan, Jane Lipscomb, and Catherine Nazarchuk. They went over and above to help that discovery activity go so well. So thank you to them. In period 4, we had several helpers there. Haley Bowers, Kyle Hayden, Kylie Jennings, Kaylee Lewis, Mercedes Nichols, Molly Pickard, Delilah Rivera, Celeste Wink, and Heaven Zink. Thank you to all of them to help that activity go so well. And then in period 5, London Opry-Jennings, Rashawn Sarvis, Daisy Stegman, Cassidy Sullivan, Gabby Warnock, and Ali Zenishek all went over and above. So, thank you in making those class activities so well. Now, we started this discovery of congruent triangles. What do we have to actually look at to determine if two triangles are equal in all measures? Side, side angle side, and angle side angle. Okay? So as we do that this upcoming week, we've got to discover symbols, measurements, and what's important, because remember there's 6 items in every triangle, the 3 sides and the 3 angles. What do we actually need to look at in order to determine yes they are congruent or no they're not congruent? So that's where we're headed next week with lots of vocabulary. Remember all the triangle vocabulary? Acute, right triangles, and obtuse. And then this new terminology about what makes triangles congruent. All right? So have a great weekend. The weather's cooling off. The snow's going to be coming. Be safe, and we'll see you next Monday in the classroom.